Love you, Pisces. Hope you're having a lovely day. And this is going to be your daily relationship message for you, Pisces. And after this relationship message, I'll be doing a pick a card reading for you guys. Please watch out for the pick a card reading, Pisces. And this is your relationship card for you guys. Buy the book Relationship Message. Getting along with others entails understanding and respecting who they have become as a result of their environment, culture, and experience. Find the middle ground that allows the relationship to flourish while honoring the individuality of the other person. Play things by the book instead of trying to break the rules or pressure others to conform to the way you want to do them. Your connection will deepen as a result.
For your love reading, guys, it's going to be like a pick a card. So this is your first card and this is your second card. So you can think about your situation and close your eyes, meditate for a few seconds, open your eyes and choose the card that comes to you first. So that way the reading may resonate, guys. So I will start with the first card after a few seconds. Okay guys, so now let's start with the first card. I'll keep this card aside. So let's see what are these cards. We have 9 of Swords, the Hangman, and 10 of Swords in reverse. So in this connection for this love, you have faced lot of trials, you have sacrificed so much for this person, maybe to be in this connection with them. You have put in lot of efforts and maybe gone to a great extent of troubles to please this person. So today, maybe this person is not seeing your sacrifices or whatever you have done for them, but there are some arguments and misunderstandings today in this love, in this connection, guys. And maybe for some of you, your intuition is telling you that something is not right. Maybe this person does not trust you and they are hiding something. Maybe they are not revealing their true heart, they are not open to you, so they are hiding something, or they are in this connection not for love, maybe for some of you. So you are quite anxious, troubled, you are in lot of pain and despair, you are afraid where this connection is going to go for you today, guys. So some kind of misunderstandings, maybe for some of you, you may even be in a separation, guys, away from this person, taking a break maybe. But I also see that your situation is going to change. Maybe this crisis may be the scene today, but tomorrow, bit by bit, this problem is going to resolve, guys, in your life. So you will see that this person will come towards you on their own. They may understand your worth and they may come towards you, expressing their feelings for you. So they are taking time maybe to understand you, and they will understand you. That is what I see, guys, with these cards. So for those who have chosen this card, that is the energy here, guys. So let's see what are the other cards for those who have chosen this card. We have 9 of air, 9 of earth, and 8 of earth. So with this card, in this connection, in this love, guys, you are focused towards this connection. Maybe you are doing everything to make this love flower for you guys, and things are going as it should. Your situation is unfolding as you have expected. So you are using all your time, energy, or skills and talents to please this person, or to build that confidence between you both, to have that understanding or build this understanding in this connection, guys. And you have that understanding to a particular level with this person, but you are working on it for that deep meaningful bond with this person. So maybe for some of you, I see that you are in a new relationship. That may be the reason we have these cards, guys. And maybe for some of you, you are still healing from the past. Maybe some past relationship has hurt you a lot, and you are still healing from that. So you are trying to be more confident, having that hope for a better future, having faith, or this may be their energy. So they are still hurt, they are not yet out of that past relationship. So something is giving them sadness and stress today, but they are trying really hard to come out of this negativity. They are trying to forgive themselves for what they did wrong in the past, or they are trying to forgive the person involved in this connection. So, and they are hoping to have a better future with you. So they are healing from the past situation, guys. That may be the reason that they are not quite open with you, and you are trying hard to come to a deep understanding with this person. So they are still close towards you, and they are working, they are trying to be more open and more understanding with you guys. So that is what I see with these cards, guys, for those who have chosen the second card. And that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.